Can I actually publish my own board game? I've spent years playing, reviewing, thinking about board games, but I've never actually made one. So I decided it's time to try. This isn't just a random idea. Growing up, I always enjoyed family game nights. The competition was fun. The exciting moments that you would get at the table with your friends and family were memories that have stuck with me for years. And then eventually, as I got deeper into the hobby, the puzzles and mechanics of the games really started to intrigue me, and eventually I started to notice something. Some games really stick with you, while others don't. And then that led to a question of what actually makes a board game good. And eventually, that question turned into something else. What if I made my own? That's what this series is. This is me making my first board game, and I'm taking you guys with me. That means everything. I'm going to share my ideas, I'm going to share the mistakes, the play tests, and hopefully a finished product at the end of it. I'm not coming into this as an expert. I'm coming into this as someone who's willing to learn, willing to make mistakes, and willing to test out some fun ideas. So if you're coming to this looking for a polished masterclass, this isn't that. But if you've ever thought to yourself, I wonder if I could make a board game, then you're in the right place, because I'm going to be documenting everything, all of my research, all the different steps, all the hard parts, no pretending that this worked when it actually didn't. You're going to get to see everything throughout this journey. And here's the goal. By the end of this series, I want to have a board game that I can play with my whole family of 6. I want to have a game that I see people playing at conventions, seeing people pick up from their local game store, and one that I would happily own in my collection, and not just because I'm the one that made it. I don't know if that's going to work, and I don't even know how long it's going to take. And honestly, I'm not even sure if the game's going to be any good. But that's kind of the point. There are videos out there that teach board game design, and this isn't just that. This is going to be learning by doing, testing ideas in real time, and learning things together step by step. As we take these steps, I'm going to be sharing everything I'm learning, so you will see exactly what it takes to be able to design and eventually produce your own board game. And for me, this is also about spreading the good news of the gospel of Jesus Christ to folks that I may never have the chance to see face to face this side of eternity. My goal is to, in each box that is sold, have God's plan of salvation in there. And if you're watching this and you have not accepted Jesus Christ as your Savior and you would like to, or you have questions, email me. You can find my email in the description of this video, or at the end of this video, go ahead and check out the video titled The True Rule Book. I believe creating something meaningful matters, and I want to approach this in a way that reflects that. So here's where we're starting. I don't have a finished idea. I don't have a polished design. I just know I want a game for 6 players. I got a theme in mind and some mechanics that I think are going to make this thing work. And we're going to build from there. In the next video, we're going to take a look at what it actually takes to self-publish a board game and see if it's even possible these days. Because if I'm going to do this, I want to do it right. Let's see if we can pull it off. If you want to follow this journey, make sure you're subscribed, because this could turn into something really cool or a complete disaster. Either way, it's going to be interesting. Stay awesome.